Speedify VPN Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to our video, Speedify VPN Review, Usage Experience. Links to Speedify and related products are included in the description for your convenience. Let's dive straight in. Speedify is a unique VPN built with one main focus, enhancing your internet connection speed and reliability through channel bonding. It's perfect for users who demand stable and fast connections, such as streamers, remote workers, and anyone who frequently deals with unstable networks. The standout feature of Speedify is channel bonding, allowing you to combine multiple internet sources like Wi-Fi, cellular data, and Ethernet into a single, faster connection. This isn't just marketing hype. In testing, it consistently delivered better speeds and fewer interruptions, especially for activities like live streaming, online gaming, and video conferencing. Whether you're on the move or at home with spotty Wi-Fi, Speedify ensures smoother, uninterrupted internet usage. Speedify supports all major platforms, including Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, and Linux, with a user-friendly interface that even VPN newcomers will appreciate. The app's dashboard clearly shows the connected networks, their contribution to the bonded connection, and real-time speed stats. Security-wise, Speedify uses AES encryption and Cha-Cha for performance on weaker devices, ensuring privacy without sacrificing speed. While its privacy policy ensures no logs of your browsing activity, it's worth noting that Speedify is based in the US, which might concern some privacy enthusiasts. Additionally, Speedify has a free tier with 2 GB of data per month, which is great for light users looking to test the service. Paid plans are reasonably priced and include unlimited data, making it a solid choice for those needing consistent performance. However, Speedify isn't designed for bypassing geo-restricted content, so it's not ideal if unblocking Netflix libraries is your priority. In summary, Speedify is an excellent VPN for users seeking fast, reliable internet with the added benefit of seamless multi-connection bonding. If you're tired of lagging streams or dropped calls, it's worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore the links in the description.